Hello everybody, this is Rick with Rick Racks Woodworking, and today we're out under the carport next to the house with what looks like it's going to be a lot of work. Yep, it's that time to start rebuilding the new front porch onto the house now that I have the repairs done to the front. So we're going to get started today and start getting rid of some of this lumber. Oh, my aching back.
To the family, you can feel at home here. There's a lot of love that goes beyond these years. There's nothing like the fellowship of those who love the Lord. So welcome to the family. There's always room for more. The tablecloths are red and white. The tea is sweet and cold. The lines are long for that good fried chicken and green bean casserole. Old folks all are fanning, the young kids are at play. The preacher asked the blessing, it's a scene that seems to say, welcome to the family, you can feel at home here. There's a lot of love that goes beyond these years. There's nothing like the fellowship of those who love the Lord. So welcome to the family. There's always room for more. We all feel like napping on a Sunday afternoon, but we stick around for a while to sing some good old gospel tunes. Doesn't matter if the voices and the songs are new or old. There's something in the harmony that's speaking to my soul. Welcome to the family, you can feel at home here. There's a lot of love that goes beyond these years. There's nothing like the fellowship of those who love the Lord. So welcome to the family. There's always room for more. When I count my blessings, it's easy to see my brothers and sisters that mean so much to me. I think about the many times they've kept me in their prayers, and the countless ways they've always shown me that they care. And I know they'll still walk with me no matter what's ahead. Yeah, so much more than just their words, their lives have always said, welcome to the family.
Well, a lot of that lumber under the carport is gone, and my back is sure enough hurting. But we've got a lot done, and it's sure looking good. So this concludes part 4 of this video series, and stay tuned, and we'll continue on with part 5, which should be the final segment in this series. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, make some comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you, and have a blessed day.
Welcome to the family, you can feel at home here. There's a lot of love that goes beyond these years. There's nothing like the fellowship of those who love the Lord. So welcome to the family. Oh, welcome to the family, you can feel at home here. There's a lot of love that goes beyond these years. There's nothing like the fellowship of those who love the Lord. So welcome to